Hey guys, this is Brian with Roulette Travel, and today we're at the top of Twin Mountain in the Catskills State Park. I'm going to take you guys back through how we got up here and the different views along the way. Hang on, we're going to enjoy. So when you're out on the trail, the way that you know where you're going is the trail markers. They're like the highway signs of the trails. The idea is that you should be able to see the next one when you're standing at each one. So let's see if back off in the distance there we can see the next one. I think it's going to be just out of frame. 69. At about 3/4 of a mile, we're just starting to pick up a little bit of elevation, but just a very gradual incline. Nothing crazy or scrambling yet. Love days like this. Well, it's definitely getting much steeper. Just came up a section of nice little rocky scramble and gained in altitude quickly. It's turned into a good one. We followed it through this little ravine area to come out and get one of the first views out into the Catskills Park. So just about a 1/4 mile from the last viewpoint, we come up to this area where the trail is going to fork over to the right. But come over to the left, we come to this cool little cave labyrinth type overhang that you can go and walk through for a little bit. And it's a nice spot that if you get caught in a storm, it's good to know that this is We've got a little bit farther left to go to get up to the summit. So we just came up another scramble, and we're just coming up on 3,500 feet of elevation gain here. And for those of you that have gotten disappointed that Snapchat and Instagram no longer have the altimeter app on there, this app, literally just called altimeter, is pretty accurate. I don't know if the DEC one here is at exactly 3,500 feet above sea level. But if it is, this one's off by about 13 feet, and considering we don't have GPS, cell signal right now, not bad. So just past the 3,500 foot marker, we come to one of our first vistas. We've still got a little bit of ways to go towards the summit, but we've got plenty of time, so I'm going to explore this one. And we're also going to send the drone up and get some overhead fun footage. So just coming through that spot right there, you got to kind of use the tree vines to climb up the side of the rock. We're here at the summit of, or the first summit of Twin Peak Mountain, and unfortunately, looks like there might actually be a rainstorm moving in. The weather didn't really predict anything for today. It was saying a 10% chance of rain for most of the area. But this just goes to show that a lot of the Catskills really does have a lot of microclimates and things can act up unexpectedly. So far I've felt just a few raindrops, so I'm really glad I sent the drone up before to kind of get a view from this general elevation, because now it's raining and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back up. I've had this place myself, but I haven't really found any need to leave yet. It's beautiful up here. That storm that I thought was going to throw some rain on me hasn't really done anything. I got one little sprinkle. Other than that, that's it. Push on to the second peak and check out what the view looks like. First real section of mud throughout pretty much this entire hike. Not even bad. There you have it, people. Twin Peak number 2 in the Catskill Mountains. It's a great hike. About 3 miles up and just under 2,000 feet of elevation gain by the time you go through the entire hike, so not a bad one. A little bit more packed than, not packed. There were more people on the trail than I initially thought there were going to be. There was about 2 or 3 in the first mile or so, and then I bumped into a couple other groups across the 2 different summits, but nothing like some of the more popular hikes, and still a great one. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe to my channel. We're going to be doing more and more hike reviews as well as some gear reviews and seeing different things in the area.